Hi everyone, so this is the most wonderful time of the year. It's the Christmas Eve, so I want to wish everyone a really Merry Christmas. And today, to gather some information about Christmas, we have Principal Sister Rostom with us. Good morning, Principal Sister Rostom. How are you doing?
Arya, I'm very happy. I'm keeping fine. Thank you.
I've been to this school since my inception of schooling. So for gathering some deep information about Christmas, we have our principal, Sister Rostom of St. Paul's Convent Senior Secondary School, Pichain. So sister, as many of us think that Christmas is just about 25th. But many of us don't know, even I'm thinking from my childhood that Christmas is just about 25. But what I don't know is Christmas starts from the first Sunday of December. So what are all the festivities that take place during the December month itself?
Christmas season is known as Advent season. Advent season starts on fourth Sunday before Christmas. The most significant tradition of the Advent season is the Advent wreath. The wreath signifies continuous life, the eternity of God. Candles have their own significance. The 4 candles represent the four weeks of the Advent. 1 candle is lit each Sunday. 3 candles are purple, signifies a time of prayer, penance and sacrifice. The first candle is hope, second is faith, third candle is pink and it symbolizes joy. On 4th week of Advent, the final candle, that's angel's candle, lit and symbolizes peace. 1 white candle is lit in the middle of the wreath. It is lit on Christmas Eve. The color white is purity because Christ is our Savior.
Christmas is about enjoying, it's about gifts, it's about candies. But we forget about the core meaning of Christmas. So what is Christmas?
Christmas is one of the most important Christian celebration of the Savior Jesus Christ. It is a time of spiritual reflection on the foundation of the Christian faith. It is a celebration when Christians celebrate God's love for the world through the birth of Jesus Christ.
So sister, as this pandemic is going on, and to be really honest, this pandemic has been a major enemy of all the festivals. So how is this Christmas going to be different during this pandemic?
This will not be a normal Christmas as this has not been normal yet. And this fact pain me deeply as I have always loved the gatherings, but not all of us will be able to gather together. We are optimistic that we will connect with the most of our loved ones, but again we are hesitant to so. We must be wise to be cautious, to be tentative, and a lot of assumed too much. During the pandemic time, I would like to wish each and everyone joy, love and peace. These are my wishes for all. May this festive season sparkle and shine. May all of our wishes and dreams come true and may this happiness all the year around.
Sister, as this is a really wonderful time of the year and we do not want to miss a wonderful message from you. So what is a message that you would like to give to all the students and to the audience that are watching this video?
It is a tenderness for the past, courage for the present, hope for the future. It is a fervent wish that every cup may overflow with blessings rich and eternal, and every path may lead peace. On this occasion, I am very happy to be with Arya Maheshwari. She has taken a lot of effort to discuss about the Christmas, and she wants to convey a message through me. So on this occasion, on behalf of St. Paul's Senior Secondary School, I wish all of you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all, especially this pandemic time. I request and I would like to give an advice: stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. This is my greatest wish for all.
Hey everyone, this is Arya Maheshwari reporting from St. Paul's Convent Senior Secondary School, and right now I'm standing right in front of my school, right in front of the church. So come, let me show you around. all the hard work that has been put by my teachers, some students, and also the management of my school. Let's come around. Now we are here to feel the Christmas spirit with the place Jesus was born, to Saint Mary and Saint Joseph. This shows the simplicity of Jesus Christ and for the purpose he was born. He was born to save the mankind. And to feel the Christmas buzz, here is the Christmas tree. These are the bells, these are the cherries, and the main part of Christmas tree is the star. And now I would like Principal Sister Rose Tom, she would like to share something special.
It's Christmas. On behalf of everybody here, especially on behalf of St. Paul Senior Secondary School, Cochin, I wish you Happy Christmas and fruitful and healthy Happy New Year 2020. Thank you.
I proudly want to thank all my teachers, co-workers, students and the entire team of St. Paul's Convent Senior Secondary School. This is Arya Maheshwari from St. Paul's Convent Senior Secondary School, Ujjain, signing off.